Yo, what's up everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly why I gave up trading meme coins and why switching to deving was the best decision I ever made in my life in the crypto meme coin market. The reality is that in 2026, deving is just way easier, less risky, and way more profitable than sitting on the charts trading meme coins hoping for the coin to pump. I've personally built over hundreds of thousands of dollars by using my deving strategy over and over again, and in this video I'm going to show you the exact method that I use for completely free. If that sounds good to you, keep watching. Let's get to the bread. I want to show you my Phantom wallet real quick before we get into it. I am not here to flex, I'm just here to show you what's possible. I made everything here purely from deving in the past 2 to 3 years, and yes, the market did pump a little, so I made a lot of money from the Solana market. But anyways, in this video I will show you exactly how to dev a coin for completely free. Now guys, think about what actually happens every single time you take a trade and buy into a meme coin. For example, you find a coin, you buy in, you ape in, you hold your position, but guess what happens? After a couple seconds, the coin goes to zero like most coins and you lose 80% of your entire position in that meme coin. That's because the dev is dumping on your ass every single time you buy a coin, and that's the truth about 98% of all these coins. The devs are taking advantage of all the traders, and the devs are printing thousands of dollars while the traders are losing most of their money every single day. That's exactly why I switched from being a regular trader, right, every single day like you, and now I became a dev, making thousands of dollars without risking a dime of my own money to trade coins, okay, or to dev, okay. It costs nothing to create coins, it all depends on your strategy. That's why I am making this video. We create coins based on borrow narratives, okay, and then we launch them, and then we cash out, and we do that over and over again until we have the desired amount of money that we want in our portfolio. And you can keep going over and over again until you have 100k, 20k, 10k, 50k, or some people just want to make consistent income, okay? It's up to you, and that's why I am making this video. In this video is for education. And by the way, bro, everything only. I don't condone any financial advice. I do not claim to be a financial advisor, so do your own research, okay? And yeah. Now guys, the problem with most devs in 2026 is that they're launching coins on Pump.Fun, hoping for their coin to go viral or to get a bit of attention, but the truth is that they are going nowhere. They're just losing their time launching on Pump.Fun because of the simple fact that Pump.Fun is over competitive. There's like hundreds of thousands of dollars launching every single second, and most of these coins, they go nowhere, they get no buyers, okay? And yeah, that's why I do not launch on Pump.Fun. I don't waste my time there. And there's even another thing where Pump.Fun keeps a percentage of your supply, so you don't actually control the entire coin, okay? And yeah, and that's exactly why I personally launch in the migrate section, which is also known as the Raydium DEX. It has more attention, more volume. When a coin goes to Raydium, bro, it gets a bunch of buyers. Like, look at this. This was the recent coin. Even though it's going down, it still got a bunch of buyers, and the dev still made thousands of dollars. And that is the strategy, okay? Launching to Raydium is the strategy. Now, to launch to Raydium, okay, you have to be using create Meme.io, because every single coin that you make here, it goes to Raydium, it migrates, and it skips the entire bonding curve progress from Pump.Fun, and it goes to Raydium. That's why people are keeping this launchpad a secret. Now guys, here's exactly how to create a meme coin on create Meme.io, and trust me bro, it's actually easier to do it than to explain it, but you have multiple options. You could either create your own coin from scratch, whether you have a narrative in mind or a project, you can make it here. And there's another option to create a coin, and it's my personal favorite one that I use every single day, and that is copying coins, okay? Copying trending coins, or some people like to call it vamping, okay? I've made the majority of my money by copying coins, and it's
gate kept like a lot. Basically, all these coins are going viral already on Pump.Fun, so you don't need to go out here and look for a coin to create from scratch. You can just copy one that is working on Pump.Fun and use that coin, use that narrative, and make a whole new dupe to launch it back to Raydium to get a bunch of buyers. That is what I do all day to make my bread. But guys, now it's time to make money from actually deving. I'm going to show you, okay, how to dev a coin with a live example right now. So let's get straight into it. Now obviously connect your Phantom wallet. First of all, let me just show you how it's done. Bang, it's connected, and then click on refresh and look for a coin to copy. Okay, I personally go for anything that seems decent, but I just usually just copy a random coin. Okay, I'm gonna copy the Glorp coin. Click on copy to Raydium, right? Your Phantom wallet is going to show up. Just ignore the warning from Phantom, it's completely normal. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then the coin will be vamped. Okay, just give it a couple seconds. And bang, bro, if I go in SoScan, you guys can see that it's on chain, everything is live and working, the blockchain does not lie, okay? So the website actually works. Now it's time to create our liquidity pool. Now here is where we create our Raydium liquidity pool for this step, okay? It's mandatory if you want your coin to go to Raydium and if you want to control your coins, okay? Like that, you can do whatever you want, okay? You can dump it, you can push it up, you can do whatever you want. Now, the first step right here is to click on 90% for the supply. I do that for all my coins, by the way. So this is the golden zone number. For the amount of SOL, put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana, okay? I am personally going to put 0.3 SOL and then click on create pool. And once again, guys, you're not going to lose this. If you want this back, you can, okay? You are just exchanging this for supply. Click, well, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm. After that, bro, click on the refresh button and then scroll down and bang, bro, the Glorp coin is live. Your PNL is going to show up right there. And if you do want to see how much you're up on your coin, you can just click on refresh, right? And as you guys can see, for example, well, this is an example, but we are actually up 200 bucks. That is amazing. That means that our vamp is doing well. Now go on your trading platform to see the coin. It can be any trading platform, not just Photon or Axum. And bang, the coin is live. Okay, it's already pumping. This is exactly what I'm talking about. The attention on Raydium is absolutely insane. And if you copy a coin on create meme.io, you have a better chance of getting all this volume. Now I've seen better volume than this, but this is not bad. We're already up like 800 bucks if I had to guess. Like, this is amazing, guys, okay? Now, do not cash out your profits right now. Let the coin run for a bit. Let it marinate, let it breathe, okay? Remember, this coin costed us nothing to create, and that's exactly why deving is so insane in 2026. I'm gonna just pitch in two, actually, no. I'm not going to trade my own coin, but we're gonna let this coin ride. So I'm gonna be right back, bro. When I come back, I'll show you how to cash out your dev profits. Right guys, I am back after like 10 to 15 minutes. Look at this chart, it looks beautiful. We're up a decent chunk of cash. Now obviously come back to create meme.io to cash out, and then look, click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see here, we're up $2,600 in PNL. That is not too shabby, okay? That is good for some people watching this video. I'm not sure in what situation you are, but that is good. Click on the minus button, do 100% to get it over with, right? Because if you sell like half of it, well, the chart might nuke right after because everyone is going to sell after you. So just do 100%, remove liquidity, your Phantom wallet is going to pop up. Like, once again, ignore the warning, click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how to cash out on your coin. We made a quick 2.5k, look in my Phantom wallet. Bang, bro, 28.8 SOL straight inside my Phantom wallet. And obviously, bro, you can do that over and over again. The volume is a bit low on chain, but look, we made 2 bands, and then you can go on to the next coin. It's all about being consistent, okay? When it comes to deving, you guys have to understand that it might take 10 coins, 20 coins to get one to go viral, okay? It all depends to how consistent you are when it comes to creating coins. The website will be linked down below. And by the way, it's all for educational purposes only. The results will vary.